Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Danielle and today we're going to talk keto, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm a little bored, so I'm going to change it up. So if you guys are interested in seeing my new plan of attack, go ahead and stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Sunday. I hope you guys are having a great week and I hope that your previous week was amazing, and let's get prepared to start an even better week. So let's talk how I did this week. As far as eating, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I think I did okay. I had a guest carb update, carb up day. So I did start my cycle Thursday. And yeah, I had an empanada. My mother-in-law made it. I ate it. I can't help it. I mean, I could help it, but I'm not gonna lie, I did. I don't I'm not beating myself up for it or whatever, but yeah. This week you guys seen some pretty different videos from me. I did a keto mukbang, which I thought was really fun. I introduced you guys to my little sister and it was something different. If you guys are interested in seeing more of those, let me know down below. And I just wanted to show you guys that, you know, there is so many varieties out there and it can be done. So that happened, and then Thursday y'all see me shave my face because we friends, and that's what, you know, friends do. They shave their face on camera. But yeah, so it was a little different, but I hit the gym. I did really well. I met my goal days. I did 3 days this week. I always strive to always at least hit 3 days. If I do more, then I do more, but always 3 days, and I did it. So I was happy for that. When I started this video, I said I'm bored. I'm bored. And I am ready. You know, summer is so fastly approaching and I have a lot of big things going on this summer. We have a lot of family parties. My daughter's graduating 8th grade. Yeah, and I really I'm really hyped for summer this year just because it's been so cold and it's been a long winter here in Chicago that I'm just excited for it. And I just like to look my best going into the summer. So this is kind of like crunch time. I did notice that a lot of people do those diet bets. I'm not entirely sure how they work or even if I ever would do one because I don't like the whole scale thing. But I like the thought of them, that there's like this group of people and they're, you know, striving to do this. I don't know if you guys ever did a diet bet or whatever. That's not what this video is. I'm not hosting one or anything like that. I don't even know how that works. But I like the idea of like the group supporting each other and, you know, kind of holding each other accountable. So I kind of want to do something along those lines. So let's talk what we gonna do. So starting back on Monday, officially, I did start it today, but not officially. But anyways, I just came home from the gym. That's why I look like a hot ass mess. Like I said, this is that time of the month. I am not feeling my best. I can tell you that one. But nonetheless, I got up. So today I did an hour of cardio just because I did have the excess carbs yesterday. So the quickest way to get your body back into type of ketosis is to do cardio. I'm not saying that it worked in one day. I'm just saying that that's usually the avenue I will take when I have a slip up, is I make sure the very next day I get to the gym and I kill it. So I did 30 minutes on the ARC thing where you kind of like coast. That is a hell of a workout. And I always choose the hills option. And then I did 30 minutes on a spin bike with also the hills option. And I was dying, okay? And I did everything fasted. So I came home right now, I ate, and I feel a lot better. So what are we gonna do? I am going to not have that morning coffee. If I do, it's going to be limited. I haven't been intermittent fasting. I've really been like super hella lazy keto and I feel like a little too lax. I am going to say I am not going to track anything other than mentally track my carbs and go from there. I am going to increase my cardio to a 30-minute minimum, and I'm trying to really just schedule my life a lot better. I feel like I'm kind of just like flying by the seat of my pants each week, not only with like weight loss, but with just life in general. So I got one of these bad boys. This is the Clever Fox Pro Planner. I like this planner because it comes like undated. I've always been the dummy that buys the planner and either it's from like last year and I only have 2 months left in it, or it starts like 2 months later, and yeah. So this is undated. So you're able to track your productivity, your happiness, harmony, motivation, success, focus, and passion. And I like how big it is, so I can just kind of keep it like on my desk or in my living room, because that's where I tend to spend a lot of my time. And I'm going to really just buckle down here. So I wanted to show you like what I really like about this. So it has like a month review, and then it has like your days, and then like a whole month, and then it has your like weeks, so you can go by your days. So here's like what the whole month will look like, and then it has like everything that you can do down on there. I hope you guys can see that. And then here it has like just each week, so it tells you like what you did, what you didn't do, are you really trying to get to it. I also like because it helps you with like motivational type things, and I'm really trying to promote positivity. I'm really working with the whole, I'm turning into a very extreme believer of the law of attraction. The more I read, the more I think about it, the more I practice it, the more it just shows that it's such a realistic thing. This is not taking precedence over any type of religion for me. I'm a firm believer in God and Jesus Christ and all those things, so I don't want to have any of those debates. But it's more vibes, positive mindset, you know. And I feel like if I wake up every day with a grateful heart and just, you know, proclaim out loud, today is going to be a great day, something wonderful is going to happen today. Today I'm going to live my best life ever. It just puts me in a good mood, puts me in that positive mindset. It gives me like a hunger in my belly, like I'm going to do the damn thing. And I really hope that you guys practice that as well, because I think, you know, you guys are all wonderful and we're friends. And if, you know, I feel like it's changing my life, then I know it can change yours. So yeah, so I'm going to start scheduling out, not even like with my work schedule, my kids' life, my diet, my workout schedule, you know, videos, stuff like that. I really need to buckle down and have everything focused out. I feel like if I can write stuff down, that I actually get it done. So I picked this bad boy up, and here's a fun fact. I'm going to give y'all one because we're friends and I like to share. So this is going to be a giveaway. Wow, look at that. I sneak that in there. So if you guys would like to win a Clever Frocks Planner Pro, I want you guys to enter because I think you guys will love it. So here are the rules to the giveaway. Just be subscribed to my channel. If you're on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. And I would like for you guys to leave down below a video suggestion that you guys would like to see. And that would help me out. And if you guys want to see it and I could film it, that would even, you know, quid pro quo. Whatever, you know what it is. I scratch your back, you scratch mine. That's how it goes. So yeah, that's I'm gonna start implementing that this week. And along with planning and trying to be better at life there, I'm also, like I said, gonna start intermittent fasting again. I am using the Zero app. I'm gonna show you guys kind of what it looks like on my phone. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know. So it's this one down here. It is a free app, and you just kind of click on it. And then I obviously haven't fasted in 73 days. So I like it because as soon as I'm like, all right, last meal, I hit it, and then it gives you a timer and it'll let you know, okay, you can eat now. And if you're not hungry yet, you don't have to eat, and just go as long as you can. The first few days are hard, I'm not gonna lie. Some days I'm like, I'm so starving. I'm just like waiting down to the minute, like, is it time? Is it time? Like when it's still like 7 minutes left, I'm like, I'm gonna start making my meal because I'm hungry. So I really liked intermittent fasting just because I am a creature of habit. I like having everything, you know, worked out for me. You know what I mean? Like, I like having a, you know, time schedule for stuff. So we're going to plan with this, and we are going to intermittent fast with the Zero, and see what the hell that does, because, you know, yeah. I'm going to go ahead, and my carb limit is going to be 20 to 25 net carbs, okay? I really need to make sure I am staying focused on that. Along with that, I could even do a journal daily of what I'm eating, implement a food journal inside here, and then just mark down the carbs. Or you can do it in your phone or whatever the case may be, but I'm going to use this bad boy. And I am going to also start implementing keto coffee again. I really feel like that MCT oil really helps me stay full. It helps me cognitively, and it really helps me feel the best because it really gets me into that fat burning mode. I actually just got this. This is the Perfect Keto Vanilla MCT powder. I like this because it's all in there and it's flavored vanilla, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And this has 0 carbs. I'm gonna show you the macros in the back here. I've heard really great things about this. I've seen people bake with this, so I am gonna do some research and kind of see what I can come up with, but I am gonna start putting this in my coffee. If you guys have tried this, tell me which ones are your flavors that you do like. So I just got the vanilla MCT powder. They did send me a sample of the chocolate collagen powder. I did see Makeup by Shayla do like a keto ice cream with it, and I was like, okay girl, I might try that because I have the little package. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a whirl and see if this helps out. So I'm excited for that. And I think that's my plan. So we're gonna be a little bit stricter on, we're gonna do intermittent fasting. I'm going to just log down I'm not logging fats and all that stuff. I'm not doing that. I'm just going to kind of write down every day my carbs, because I just wanna make sure that since I have been like extremely lazy keto, that I'm not letting sneaky carbs in. I do not count carbs for vegetables. I'm very particular about the type of vegetables I eat, so they are all low carb vegetables. So I'll do like radishes. I did jamaica the other day. What else do I do? Asparagus, broccoli, zucchini, Brussels sprouts, stuff along those lines, okay? I did do some French fries. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen like a little boomerang of my meal the other day. If you don't follow me on Instagram, come on over. I have everything linked down below. It's a good time. They actually came out really good. So if you guys want to see like a what's for dinner and I can do like my fries again, I will show you. They came out really good. I was really surprised. And I really think that's it. I hope you guys find the motivation for me. I feel like some weeks where I'm like, I really don't have shit to say. I mean, I'm still trucking along, but I like sharing these videos with you guys because you help me stay accountable, because I know like I have these people that are watching me and I can't let them down, you know, and I have to stay, I have to practice what I preach. So, you know, I really appreciate you guys for helping me through this journey, because your support and your friendship and your encouragement through this journey really makes it a hell of a lot easier than it's ever been before. Because sometimes when you're on this journey, you feel so incredibly alone, because especially now with family parties and gatherings and stuff like that, you know, there's always that family member who always is so thin and has this banging body, and they eat whatever they want, they drink whatever they want, they always look cute. Like, this is my sister for me. Like, you guys see my sister, she's super tiny, always super fashionable, always really cute and pretty, and she could just eat whatever she wants. Like the other day she came over with a Coke in the glass bottle, and I was like, damn, there's a lot of sugar in there. I haven't had one of those in years, you know. So, and she just always stays slim. It's just, she's just blessed that way. So I get it, you know, I get it. It's not always easy. And, you know, sometimes there's that like, why do I have to work so hard just to even maintain sometimes? So I just want to let you know that I share that struggle with you guys. If you guys have not read up on anything from the law of attraction or, you know, positive, there's a book, and there's also a movie on Netflix called The Secret, and it really just puts your whole life into perspective. And I want you guys to know that it's your mood from the time you get out of bed will truly affect your whole day. And not only will your mood affect you, but it affects the way your whole house runs. Like, even my husband says, like, if you're in a bad mood, like, it affects my mood, you know. And I just want to live my best life. I want to be the most positive, inspiring person, not only for you guys, but for my children and my husband. And I want my girls to always remember that mom, you know, always looks on the brighter side of things. And, you know, no bad situation is permanent. You know, tough times don't last, but tough people do. So remember that. But yeah, so if you guys are interested in winning this planner, make sure you are subscribed. If you're on Instagram, go ahead and follow me, because it's a good time. And comment down below, what do you want to see? Do you want to see more full days of eating? A lot of people ask to come to the gym with me. My gym does not allow for any type of recordings. I tried it. They said something to me. I was embarrassed. So unfortunately, I cannot share that with you. I've always tried to bring Leo and see if he could like sneak, because I have to like set up the camera and people get uncomfortable with that. If I can try to get Leo in there with me and see if he can kind of record me on his phone, we can try to do that. But that's pretty much it. I do strive to keep things unique around here. I never wanted to fall into some little box. I am known for a majority of my weight loss stuff, just because weight loss is a huge part of my life. But I just keep things interesting, you know. Some videos don't do as well as others, but that's just life and I don't care. As long as you guys enjoy them, and, you know, I see the comments and people, you know, are super supportive. So yeah, I try to do a little bit of cleaning, cooking, you know, I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm a woman, you know, and I just try to share with you every little bit of my life that I feel that like maybe somebody would want to see or whatever. So you guys are new here, we do a little bit of everything around here, and we all friends. We friends here. We like real friends. We're not like fake friends where I'm like, hey, I love my supporters. Like, no, girl, you my friend. I love you. Follow me on Instagram. We'll shoot the shit all day long. Like, I love you guys. And as you know, I'm as much emotionally invested to you guys as I hope you guys would be to my life, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up. And have a great week. Know that this week is your week. Know that even however bad the last few days, weeks, months, whatever, this is gonna change all that. Because starting out fresh, we're gonna kick this week right in the ass. We're gonna do everything that we need to do to be the best you can be. If that's, you know, maybe laying out your clothes for work the night before, maybe putting a little extra makeup on to go to work, maybe it's to meal prep, maybe it's to intermittent fast, maybe it's to physically write down what you need to get done and what your goals are for this week, and make sure that when the week is coming to an end, you get that goal done. You hit that damn goal, even if it means, you know, missing Game of Thrones, which, I mean, do not miss Game of Thrones. I mean, anybody watch Game of Thrones? It starts today. Game of Thrones. We can talk about it if you guys want to. We can make a whole damn series about Game of Thrones. I've been Game of Thrones person from day one, okay? Last series, last season. I mean, there's so much that could happen. Okay, but you know what I mean. Just make it happen. Make it happen for you, because you are worth it, and I totally believe in you guys. But all right, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I love y'all. There's no body shots this week. I'm a bloated mess. It's just nasty around here. I mean, I'm not nasty, but you know, if you're a woman, you know what I mean. You just don't, I ain't trying to show nobody nothing. I worked out, I'm sweaty, I need a shower, I also need some coffee. Love you guys. Kick this week right in the ass. I believe in you. See you in the next one. Bye, friends.